Hi, I'm Chef Alan Capa. The food that we're going to make today is modern pinakbet. To begin, make sure that you have boiling water already. You need to put some salt before you start cooking your vegetable. So kung pagsasabay-sabayin mo siya, magsasag siya. Hindi siya magiging uniform while you cook together with the sauce. Pumpkin, it will just take like 1 minute. Siguraduhin yung water nyo is boiling kasi when you start it na nagsisimmer lang siya, hindi siya magiging balance and hindi lahat ng vegetable niya magiging magkakamukha yung pagkakaluto. Pag in-insert mo yung pork, walang stress. Kung meron ka nang nakaset na mga vegetable, what you do is blanch it hanggang ma-achieve mo yung proper texture ng each vegetable. And then you prepare a cold water or ice bath na tinatawag. So 50-50, you put 50% of ice and then 50% of the water. So we add on our okra. Napakaganda ng dish na to. Bakit? We did not put anything like fish, chicken, or pork. As you can see, nakikita nyo yung color ng vegetable. So, naluluto natin ng proper. And then, maisaserve pa natin ng lahat ng vitamins and minerals. Because once you boil it, overboil it, lahat ng nutrients mawawala na yan. And even the flavor on it, lahat yan mawawala. So, set mo lang lahat ng gulay mo. So, all your vegetable is ready. You can start now for your sauce. So, first you're gonna need to add the oil. Then put your onion. It will take about like 1 to 2 minutes just to release the flavor of the onion. Then add the garlic. Now we're making the sauce. Basically, ang normal na ginagawa natin, yung traditional method is we just put all together on it. Kaya yung kinalalabasan ng dish, makikita mo parang yung color niya hindi na maganda. Tapos hindi na siya appetizing tingnan. Then you add onion, garlic, then you have the tomato already. Then add your bagoong. Oyster sauce. Instead of water, gamitin mo yung pinagpakulaan mo. Ando doon yung flavor niya eh. Don't throw it. So add ka ng konti, deglaze it kasi ando doon lahat ng flavor on the pan. Some seasoning. Black pepper. So i-reduce mo lang siya to enhance yung flavor niya. And then ready na yung sauce natin. Okay na yung vegetable natin. I-plate na natin to ngayon. So instead na i-dump mo lang siya, ayan na. So syempre kung nagluluto ka for someone you love or kahit sinong guest mo, when you see it na pinag-preparean mo talaga, ma-appreciate talaga nila yon. So and then you just tap the sauce on it. So yung amoy, yung texture niya, ando doon lahat, yung flavors. This is the way ng mga professional on the restaurant kung paano nila sinaserve yung quality food. And then this is the modern way of preparing my pinakbet.